It's time to meet Leila, a junior public health science major from Buena Park, California. Fullerton College offers a robust set of STEM programs designed to equip students with the skills needed for careers in high-demand fields. Leila, we are all excited to hear about what you're learning in the classroom. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Going into college, I had a tough time choosing where to attend. But after choosing Fullerton College, I knew I made the right decision. I had no idea what I wanted to major in, but I knew Fullerton could guide me through the process. Feeling supported is something you can come across all around campus. One of my greatest experiences is with the STEM Success Learning Community. The program brings together students who share a common interest in STEM and provides extra support, including counseling and guidance. This educational community helped me explore other careers, eventually leading me to public health science. Fullerton College's investment and value in STEM lies in its many opportunities and career and transfer pathways. This includes internships, field trips, student panels, workshops, transfer agreements, and so much more. A great resource on campus is the Math and Computer Science Tutoring Lounge. If you're ever struggling or just need a place to study, the lounge has tutors and study areas available at the ready. A college education is more than just learning skills for a job. Learning to be a part of the campus community as a cheerleader was just as important. Cheer has been important to me ever since I was little. When I was team captain, I learned the importance of my role in representing our school. While making sure I was the best leader I could be, communication and positivity had great importance when representing our school and who we are as a team. Fullerton College truly cares and understands its students. I feel fully equipped and confident I've been given all the resources necessary for my academic and personal career. All that's next is to transfer. Wish me luck. Well, that's all from me. Go Hornets, and back to you, Alex.
That is awesome, Leila. The STEM programs are structured to help students transfer to universities with strong STEM programs, including partnerships with California State University and University of California systems. We all know you are going to go really far, Leila. Thanks again for sharing your story.